You just found the 2023 Hyundai Kona Electric. This high-spirited Kona Electric delivers earth-friendly efficiency, a comfortable cabin with user-friendly touchscreen infotainment, advanced safety features, and agile handling, all wrapped in refreshing, youthful style. Drive boldly into the future in this impressive and surprisingly affordable subcompact SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, power driver seat, alarm. Take advantage of the chance to drive this refreshingly fun, eco-friendly Kona Electric. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.